coconut ice cream. Fantastic and an amazing one from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright, yeah. It's a beautiful one. And I'm going to show you exactly. Good evening, Nicole. Big up yourself. All upon love and respect. 100%. Thank you so much for your support. Alright? Yeah. Definitely I'm going to show you exactly how to make the real authentic Jamaican coconut ice cream. Big up yourself, Nicole. Thank you so much. Island Kitchen. Big up yourself. All upon love and respect. Alright, now, guys, this is going to have to be a very quick video. This is not going to be a long one from Chef Ricardo. So, you know what I mean? Alright, because when you're making ice cream, you have to do it very quick. It's not something to muck about with. Big up Matt with his ice cream. I saw his video the other day. It was amazing. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make the real authentic Jamaican coconut ice cream. Alright, so beautiful. Alright, once you have a big bowl like this right here, alright, you want to get a double cream. Alright, double cream is the best to use. Some people use different kind of source, but I'm gonna say to you, the double cream is one of the best to work with. Alright, let's put out this so you guys can see. Alright, beautiful and lovely. Nice one. Alright, now, yeah, the double cream is the best to use. Alright, guys, so if you go to the shop and you feel like you want to make a little bit of ice cream and all them thing there, well, the double cream is one of the best things to use to make your ice cream. And as I always say, alright, now, I'm going to show you how to make this fantastic. Yo, Matt, big up yourself. 100%, man. The man with the ice cream also. Man, you know, big up yourself. Alright, now, get yourself double cream. Alright? So basically, if you go to the local shop or your supermarket, try and get yourself a coconut, a tin of coconut, but please get the one, when you get it, and you feel it hard like this inside of it a little bit, like it's like a cream inside. That's what you exactly want. So what you want to do, you want to scrape out the cream and put it into your fridge, into a container like this. Alright, so right here, this is my ice cream. No, sorry, this is my coconut milk right here. So it's get hard up. So this is exactly how you want the ice cream to look like. Not the ice cream, the coconut milk. Sorry guys, the coconut milk to look like this. Alright? Let me just simply show you. See? Alright? So you want the coconut milk to look like this. Don't go at the shop and buy the one that the hard one and bring it home. The black ice cream. Do not go and buy the black ice cream. Alright? You want to buy the one in the tin. And if you shake it and you feel like it's solid like this, then you want to use that one. Alright? But please, do not go to the shop and buy a block of ice cream. A block of coconut milk. Coconut. And bring it home and say you're going to make ice cream. It not gonna work. Red flag. Alright. Let's jump straight into it. So you want to get the cream. Alright, so what we're going to do, scrape out that, jump out that cream straight inside of the bowl, straight away Chef Ricardo, no time to idle. Alright, so once you get out your cream like that, two things, you could either use a whisk, or you can use one of those hand whisk, electric one. I don't have one of those ones, so I'm going to be using my whisk. So what I'm going to do is cream this for a few minutes. Alright, you just have to whisk it like this. Alright, so you're going to get really creamy. That's exactly what you're looking for. It doesn't take long, trust me. It's quickly. So I'm just beating it at the moment. So as you can see, it starts to firm a little bit, but it's a good little bit of exercise for you, you know what I mean? If you're a person who doesn't go to the gym, this is very good for you. It's a little bit of work, but at the end of the day, it's worth it, alright? Alright, it's getting there, but as I can see, it takes a little bit of time. Alright, yeah, that's looking good so far. You can go a little bit more. Alright. Alright. Looking good, still coming on, still looking good. All right, beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. So you just want to whisk it like this, you know. All right, that's looking good. All right, that's looking good. Alright, now, kind of hold on on the whistle at the moment. Alright. So what you want to do, you want to get that coconut. Alright. So basically this is a coconut. Alright. You see it, how it stay? Make you guys can see. Alright. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get 2 large tablespoons of the coconut right here. Alright, so basically you want it to be like this. Alright guys, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna whisk this into it now. Alright, as you can see, I'll whisk it into it. Alright, look at that. Alright, lovely. So I'll put 2 tablespoons of it inside of it, alright? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply show you exactly what you can do also. You can put a teaspoon of vanilla inside of it, alright? Just a teaspoon of vanilla. Then I have to put a whole heap, alright? 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And also I got some vanilla essence. You can just put a pinch of the vanilla essence inside of it, and that will come out, make it a lovely flavor to it also. Alright, fantastic. Now I'm going to put 1 more tablespoon of the coconut right here inside of it. Alright, so I use 3 tablespoons in it. Alright, 3 tablespoons of this. An amazing coconut right here. Alright, so if you go to the shop and you buy this, trust me guys, don't throw it away, use it. So I'm gonna just whisk in the rest. Alright, alright, if you guys can see. Alright, you see how that look? Alright, that's looking perfect. Alright, now the magic with it now is this. You have to have this one. Some sweet condensed milk. Alright? And that's the whole thing of the coconut milk. The coconut ice cream. You have to have the sweet condensed milk inside of it. So I'm gonna go into it. 1, 2, roughly about 3 tablespoons of the sweet condensed milk in it, alright? So that's the sweet condensed milk. Take your time, fold it in, alright? Let's take your time and fold it in. And then I'll give it a lovely whisk. Alright, look at that. Take time to whisk it smoothly, not too hard, just a little bit of junk. Gentle with it, not too roughly. Perfect. Alright, don't watch the runness of it. Alright. So let's show it where we are at the moment. Just lovely. But I think it'll do well with another tablespoon of the sweet condensed milk, alright? So we'll put another 2 tablespoons of the sweet condensed milk in it. It all depends how sweet you want it, guys, alright? Take your time and whisk it. Alright, don't watch that runness. It's pretty good. Alright, now, the whole secret again with the coconut ice cream. Alright, you're gonna need some grated coconut. Alright, so we get another tablespoon. We're gonna need some more grated coconut. So this is some dry grated coconut right here I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna put 1, 2 tablespoons of the dry coconut. Give that a lovely mix. Take your time and mix it. Guys, I want you to try this at home, alright? If you're a person who loves ice cream, if you're a person, let's go see where we are at the moment. Perfect. That is perfect. And you can taste the grated coconut in it. That's what you need. Alright? And it's beautiful and nice. Trust me. Now, the whole thing with it now, what you need is just a nice little plastic container where you can scrape out your ice cream into. Alright? Yeah, that's a plastic container where you can scrape your ice cream into, alright? So we're just gonna scrape it out. Alright. Put this in the fridge for 24 hours and you're good to go the next day. Alright, and that's it, guys. Beautiful, nice and lovely. And what you can do, just get a little bit of the same grated coconut and just sprinkle on top of it for decoration. Alright. So, Matt, go to back in the competition, coconut ice cream. Come with me. Alright, guys, that's it. Beautiful, nice and lovely. Hopefully you guys like this one. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Coconut ice cream, guys. If you want to learn how to make the coconut ice cream, this is a recipe for you right here, alright? It's beautiful, lovely, and the whole texture of it is just on an amazing, alright? Fantastic recipe, and trust me, it is just delicious.